Good afternoon, everyone. This is going to be the last teaching class of English 7D, second semester for Kyushu Institute of Technology in Tobata. In our schedule, today is the last regular class, class 14. Next week, you have your written test. And then after that, 2 weeks later, you will have your group presentation. So basically, today is your last chance to make sure that you have everybody ready for your presentation and get ready for your written test. So let's take advantage of that today. Now, first, a couple of things. The group presentation manuscript that I wanted everyone to present. As it is right now, I have here 6 groups of 4. And those 6 groups of 4 should be 24 people. But I still have only 19 manuscripts submitted. Thank you very much. Only 19 manuscripts. Everybody must submit their manuscript. Even if it's the same for all 4 people, everyone must submit. If you don't submit, I can't give you a mark for that. So please make sure that you submit your manuscript. And at the same time, it's the same thing for one of today's assignments. That's for the improved group manuscript. So that also has to be submitted by everyone in the group. Everyone has to be able to give that, or I can't give you a grade for that. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to present it, because everybody put it together themselves. Okay, so that was last week's work. To just check here in the misleading graphs, 25 people presented that, so I think there should be at least 24 presentations. Now, I will also be checking, who hasn't signed yet? Nobody? Oh, you haven't signed yet. Okay, there you go. Let's see here. Let's just go on the back button. Okay, so the things that we have to do today. Okay, I want to make sure that your group can connect over Zoom to my computer, and that you know that you have to do your group presentation manuscript, the improved version. And you have one last reflection number 14. This one is about your general class performance. How did you do? What did you learn? What would you like to do to continue improving your presentation skills? Trust me, just because you took this class and maybe you got an A, that doesn't mean that you don't have other presentation skills that you have to improve. I still see professors, professional presenters who still don't have really good control of their presentation skills, who don't know how to present very well. If we had more time, I would also make sure that you understand how to present improvisationally, how to present over Zoom. Those are all important skills that you need to have. But generally, what did you think of your presentation in this class? Answer that on reflection number 14. I will reiterate that the next week is your written test. Please make sure that you're ready for your written test, and that will give you at least 2 more weeks to practice for your group presentation test. Today, I want to make sure that everybody is in a group, that everybody is ready for the written test, and everybody's ready for the group presentation test. If you have any questions, please make sure you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today, everyone.